Let's try to see the next concept in the flow control mechanism. And this time I'm going to introduce you a new concept which is called as looping. We can iterate over things, that is called as looping, and we can iterate by using a for loop. Let me create a new file as usual and let me show what I'm talking about. Here I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it as printmyname.py, and let me put up a comment. So this is the situation this time. Now since Louis is staying in Zorten, he has to do things in a Zortenian way. In Zorten, they don't print your name on a single line. They want to print each and every character of your name on a different line. So let's see how we can do that. First, let me create a variable for name and let me assign the type as string. The name is Louis, and this time let me introduce you one more concept which is called as the for loop. And we are going to use the for loop to iterate over all of the characters in Louis. Iterate simply means that we want to go from one alphabet to another throughout this string. Creating a for loop is very simple. We can simply say for character inside my name. I simply want to print out the character. Let me put up a comment right over here. So on each iteration, we are just going to print a character. Let me save the file and let me try running it. Here we have the output. We have each and every character on a new line, and we are doing this by using a very simple for loop. Now let's see what's happening inside each of the iteration. Here we are saying for character in name. First time the character is L. You can see right over here. We get the output of L right over here as well. The next character is O, U, I, and S. So on each iteration, we are printing a single character on new line.